Hello everyone, we're back with a fun project, and this time it's a special project as it's a guest project for Lindy's Stam Gang. So today we decided to alter this cycle and create a tropical scene. First, we're just randomly applying some concrete stone effect texture paste onto the entire surface. Giving it a quick dry before we proceed. Next, we're adding the white crackle paste again very randomly onto the entire surface and sprinkling some mini art stones here and there onto this crackle paste. Next, without drying the crackle paste, we're sprinkling some Lindy's embossing powder onto the base. So we're using shades of green to create the effect of grass or garden for our scene. Once done, we just heat set this. Now time to play with our Lindy spray colors. So we're using multiple shades of green, yellows, browns and just spraying colors onto the surface. Randomly here and there we also use a paintbrush and spread some color. Always remember to dry in between colors, otherwise all the colors will mix up and give you a muddy look. Although for this project that muddy look won't be bad, but we definitely want our colors to stand out. All the colors that we've used are listed in the description box. So continue doing so until you're happy with your final colored base. Next, we decided to highlight the texture we gave at the beginning, and for this we're going to be using Finnabair Waxes. So just going in with our fingers, just rubbing some wax and rubbing it onto the surface. Once this is done, it's time to assemble and create a final tropical scene. So first, we're just sticking some moss to give a real feel, and we're sticking this just at the base inside the frame and near the base of the cycle. Once that is done, it's time to put all our embellishments together. So for our scene, what we did was stamped images and die cut them. Our leaves and flowers have been sprayed with Lindy's colors and then just highlighted with a darker shade. And now we're just assembling everything and sticking it all down with a glue gun to create this beautiful scene. that done, our project is complete and we're really happy with the final outcome. We do hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial and we've inspired you in some way. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye bye.